Hey everyone, welcome back to some more Daily Nonograms. It is lol. It is 7:30 in the morning, so even later than what I did yesterday. So that's like hilarious and funny, right? Anyway, I don't know. I was just very tired. So, sorry I didn't get to do it. I literally have only 30 minutes to do this one. So, I'm not sure what happens, but if I wait, sorry. If I take more than 30 minutes, I don't know what happens. Do I just get kicked out? I don't really want to find out. So, um, let me try and lock in really quickly and do this, okay? So, I hope uh I hope this will be an enjoyable video. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. Um, I hope uh I hope I play okay. Yeah. All right. So let's start. So 3, 3, 12. That's gonna be -7, leave 5, and then 119. That's gonna be -8, like that. That's 1, that's 1, 11, 3, 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, nope, 7, 14. Great. This is gonna be a 2, and then a 1, and then an 8, and then 2. 7, nope, up to here only. This is a 5, 3, 2, 12. That's 2. Oh, okay. This is nothing there. It's, oops, wait. That's 4. That's 12. That's good. 7, 5, 5. 6, 5. 2, 3. Yeah, that should make sense. Yeah, that should make sense, right? 2, 6, 5, 9, 21. Can we live with that? Sure can. 10, 12, 5, 6. Okay, 9. That's good. That's good. Now what? 7. Like this. Yeah. 5 and then 2. Right? Yeah, and then 6. Does this reach? No, it does not. Okay. 3, 1, 4. So that's 5. And that's 2. And that's 7. These are 7s. Good. Nothing here. 7. And then. Okay. We can extend this. Right? Alright. Good, good, good. 2 and 8. And 2. That's 2. That's 3. 2, 8. Okay. Now what? This is at least a 2. So nothing here. That's a 7. 5, 6, 6. 2. 2. Good. You to 1. Okay. Wait, no. Yeah, like that. Nothing. That's fine. Okay. Nice. Going good, I think. Nothing here. Is there any chance we extend this? 8 and then 3? No. 7. So like this. What now? Actually this is a 6, right? Has to be. That's a 4. Nothing here. That's 5. So nothing there. 4. Okay. We can extend this 8. We can extend this 8 minus 3. 5. Okay. That's 10. That's 12. I think there's a 2. There's a 1 and 5. That's 5. Nothing here. That's an 8. That is a 2, 3, 3, 7 right there. 8, 6, 5, and then 3. Then 3, and then that should be 9. Good. And that's a 6, 5, 5, 1, and then 4. This is a 2. 2, 3, 1, 4. Yes. This is a 4. Yes. Okay, we can cut this off. This 10 is done. This is a 5. Yeah. This is a 2. Extend this. It's 1, 2, 3. Good. This is only a 1. That's a 4. 2, 3, 1, 1. That makes sense. And nothing here. That's a 4. That's a 4. That's great. That's 2. This is 2. Okay. And then 4. And then good. Nice. Now what? I'm on 8 minutes. I'm going pretty fast actually. I'm on a pretty good pace. Can we extend 7, 7? No, definitely not. What can we do? There's an 11, so nothing here. 3, 1. Okay, there's at least a 4, right? Yeah. So 5, 1, 4, 5, 9, and then 7. This is a 10. Wait, what? Oh. So since that's a 9, so like that. So this is part of the 10. So nothing here. Wait, 1, that's 3. 4, 3, 1, 4. 3, 1, 4, 2. Okay. 5, 2. At least a 3. That's a 10. This, no way that reaches. Yeah, so that's a 1. And that's the 8. 11. And then minus 6. So like that. Okay, so these are separate. This can't be the 4. So nothing over here. 5 1 4 1. Okay. Okay. Wow, I'm hungry. Why did I wake up really hungry? 1 and 5 has to be here. Okay. It's 4 1. That's a 2. Nothing here. That's a 4. That's a 3. Okay. Now what? Now what? 5 5 5. Okay, wait. 5 5 minus 1 minus 1. There's a 4. That's 3. That's 3. That's 3. There's a 5. Oh, looks like a big lead. Shit, I'm wrong. Shit. No. Are we serious? Let's go back to here, this 5 5. Let me verify this. Can it be the 4? No, definitely not. So that's a 5, and that's a 5. And then I think this should be minus 2. Yeah, so what happened here? 5 5 1 2 3 4 5 5 5. Oh, I didn't count this. Okay, that's where I went wrong. Okay, good thing I caught that. But that's a 4 now. Okay, 3 6, nothing here. Good thing I caught that. 1 2 3 1 5 11. Yeah, great thing I caught that actually. Nothing here. 5 2 3. This has to be the 7. 2 5 2. Nothing here. So 7 7 does not fit anymore. Yep. That's a 7. Okay. 3. No. 2 4 3 2 5. Yeah, I like that. Nothing here. 3 3 12. 4. Like that. 11. Should be 12. Nice. 1 2 1 1 1 2 1 1 1, and then 2 2 1 1 2 1 3. Nothing. 8. Ha. 4. Yep. 4182. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2. Yeah. 9 minus 4. 5, 1, 4, 1, 4. 3, 2, 7. What now? 5. Excuse me. That's 3. 2, 4, 3. Oh wait, 1, 2, 1, 8, 2. That's done. Okay, that's done. Cool. This is also done. Okay, this is done. Now what? Now what? What? 1, 1, 3, 5. Shit! Wait. Oh my god. 5. 1, 1. 1, 1, 3, 5, 4, 1, 5. Oh my god, thank god. I thought I fucked it. I thought I actually fucked it. Jesus. Yeah. I thought I actually fucked it. Good. Definitely mini heart attack there. Nothing here. 4, 7, 2, 6, 6. 1, 1, 3, 5. 1, 5, 1, 1, 10. Okay. And then 8. 3, 2, 7, 3, 1, 1. 21 should be done. It's 9. Alright, last section. This should be a 3. 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. 3, 1, 5, 2. 5, 1, 7, 1. Yep. 4. 3. 1, 1, 1, 1. And that's done. Cool. Barely 19 minutes. 1850. Pretty good. I take that. Anyway, man, I woke up very hungry, so I think I'm gonna go and eat something. So, yeah, I will see you guys later because it's almost 8. Alright, bye bye. Hope you enjoyed.